Hello friends, you are on the greengo.house channel. Today we want to tell you about the plans of a small house. This is an ultra-compact 3-bedroom 1-story house with a terrace. The total area of 44 square meters. Such a house is perfect as a country house or a house for 2 people. This house is easy to place on a small site. Dimensions of the house 7.8 meters by 10.2 meters. On the back of the house is a comfortable terrace. The building structures of this house: foundations, monolithic reinforced concrete. External walls, aerated concrete block, brick or wooden frame. Overlap, wooden beams. The roof is floor-pitched. Roofing, metal tile. Now let's look inside and see what kind of plan this house has. We enter the house through a vestibule with an area of 1.7 square meters. A vestibule is necessary if you plan to build a house in a cold climate. Its task is to prevent heat loss when you enter the house. From the vestibule we immediately find ourselves in a compact entrance hall with an area of 4 square meters. Through the hallway we can get into a small bathroom with a shower, an area of 2.8 square meters. Across the hallway we can get into 2 separate bedrooms with an area of 8 and 7.7 square meters. Also from the hallway we find ourselves in the kitchen of 8 square meters, which is combined with a living room 11 square meters. From the kitchen dining room there is access to a terrace of 1.8 meters wide by 7.7 meters long. A compact table for summer gatherings can easily fit on the terrace. If you like this house plan, put like. Subscribe to our channel to see more house designs. Click on the bell to be the first to receive our new videos. See you in the following videos.